Good morning, Mr. Trump. My name is Letitia James, and I'm the Attorney General of the great state of New York. Before we begin, if everyone could please silence their cell phones, we appreciate that. I wanted to begin with some preliminary rules, some ground rules, if you don't mind, and then I'm going to turn it over to Kevin Wallace, who will conduct this examination. Mr. Trump, you've testified under oath many times. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And so I take it you are familiar with the ground rules on for how testimony proceeds. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll skip that part of the introduction. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay, and are you okay right now? Okay, good. What I will do is explain some differences between the procedures in a civil deposition and the testimony we are taking today, because this is an investigatory proceeding. You do not have a right to have an attorney with you in this investigation, but I have agreed that your attorney will be present today. However, this examination is not the same as a deposition in ordinary civil litigation, and your attorney's role will be limited to consultation with you in order to give you legal advice regarding privileged matters, if any, or your right not to incriminate yourself. Notwithstanding any objection by your attorneys, you are still required to respond to any questions unless your attorney specifically directs you not to answer. Anything you say in this examination may be used in a civil proceeding, and that can include a civil enforcement proceeding or a criminal action. Do you understand that?
I think.
Is that a yes?
I don't know what I did wrong, but the answer is yes, I do understand.
Thank you. You have the right to refuse to answer any question if a truthful answer to the question would tend to incriminate you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And any willful misstatement by you may constitute perjury. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Finally, this investigation is confidential. We request that you not discuss this matter, your testimony here today, and any documents that you have produced or may produce in connection with today's testimony with anyone other than your attorneys. Do you understand that, sir?
No. When you say confidential, we're not allowed to talk about this to the press, or?
Correct.
I believe what she means is what happened in this room, the details of what happened in this room.
Okay.
Obviously,
okay with me.
Yeah.
In fact that it happened, yes, but not the details.
Okay.
Neither you nor anyone acting on your behalf has the right to obtain a copy of the transcript of their testimony here today from the reporter. And neither you nor Veritex are permitted to release copies of the transcript to anyone other than representatives of this office, the Office of the Attorney General. Extensive note-taking or any attempt to create a transcript of the proceedings here by you or your attorneys is not authorized and will not be permitted. Are you taking any medication or drugs of any kind that make it difficult for you to understand or answer any of the questions today, sir?
An aspirin.
And are you feeling okay today?
Yes.
And are you sick today?
No.
Okay. And do you have any conditions that could prevent you from giving full, complete, and truthful answers to any questions today?
No.
Okay. And is there any other reason why you cannot give full, complete, and accurate testimony here today?
Well, you have to, I'll be doing this.
Yes. No.
No, other than what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. It's about this one.